This is also very good. Good in this sense that they do not eat without restriction. There is some restriction. Yes. If you want to eat meat and chicken, then you first of all sacrifice before the deity. So at least they will be restricted from eating meat purchased from slaughterhouse. But these rascals, one side they are advertising, stop cruelty to animals, another side they are opening unrestricted slaughterhouse. Just see. One side they are allowing marriage of woman every week, another side contraception. Just see their contradiction. Hare Krishna. There is animal sacrifice in the church. Is there any such?
No.
Yeah. Jews, they have got.
Yeah. That was one of the things that Jesus was against.
Shocked, yes.
The Jews were sacrificing animals in the temple.
Excuse me, very near. No, no. People don't know our position.
Your Guru Maharaj was also very outspoken.
Huh? Oh, yes. Demonstration.
Yes.
Huh?
Only 2 men is coming.
Huh?
2 only coming.
Two of them do it here, but the big group doesn't have chapati
Chapati where?
because they live in woodlands, wooden road. So they go to chapati.
Because here also one flat, I think.
No, they are not staying in the same flat they are in each state. They had their own apartment, they hired, they are paying for that. They are working.
Big animals.
I don't think he would say that. You would. Must have just joked. He's really highly religious man. Yogendra Bhai is the most religious man in the whole group.
He actually said.
No, he acts, but he's religious.
No, that's all right.
There is no question of action. I mean, we also act. How much we are religious, only God knows.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. There is there. Jnane pryasamadavasyanamanta eva sanamakaritang bhavadiyam.
Up to now, I think this is the best part I have come across. You know, the best part. And that particular Leela of Krishna is the most thrilling one. No?
Yes.
And when Brahma saw Krishna with 4, Vishnu with 4 hands, and all, even in boys and the calves and everything, then it was the height of the whole philosophy. You have read it?
Yeah.
No. But you must have read it in English, in those 2 volumes of Krishna.
Yeah.
I read it in Sanskrit directly. And there in real original Sanskrit is wonderful. You get the real rus.
You mean to say that I was reading it indirectly?
No, indirectly. It is indirect. Real Sanskrit is different. He will tell you. Any other language than Sanskrit will not get that rus.
There is no difference.
वो रस नहीं आएगा. That real rus.
रस जो लेने वाला है उसको तो पहले देखा जाए.
Real rus comes in Sanskrit.
Oh.
I read it twice in Gujarati, but I was not able to get that pleasure when I read in Sanskrit.
विप्रात दिशरग्न जुतात अरविंद नाम पदारविंद विमुखात सपचंग वरिष्ठम.
Those two books of Krishna you have written is from this only, 10th
Yes.
skanda, no?
Yes.
I read all those books which you have published. Now more books you must send me because I have finished. I am a voracious reader. I finished all of them.
विप्रात दिशरग्न jutat, a Brahmana having 12 Brahminical qualifications. Viprat disaraguna jutat aravinda nava padaravinda vimukhat sapachang varishta. A Brahman, well learned, well scholar, and just Brahminical principles strictly following, but if he is not a devotee, from him one Chandal is better. Sapachang varishtam. Why? Because that Chandal who is devotee Chandal, not ordinary Chandal, he has dedicated his mind, his body, his activity for the service of the Lord. Therefore, he not only is purified, but he purifies the whole family. Whereas a qualified Brahmin, if he is not a devotee, he cannot purify himself, what to speak of purifying the family.
In this stuti also that as they have mentioned that all those yogis and philosophers and other fellow people, if they have not been able to really realize what Krishna or God is unless they have become bhaktas. In this only it comes.
Bhagavad
This
is
part, in
simply
this particular
Bhagavad.
part.
Yes.
I thought Bhagavad was a book of stories, so I was not ready. Really, I am so truthful to you. But there is, I read all, I must have read more than half a dozen times all the 12 Upanishads. But I said Bhagavad, why?
No, Bhagavad,
I read it in Gujarati all right, Bhagavad.
In the beginning, it is said, Nigama kalpatara galitam
But
phalam.
that first sloka you explained to me. First sloka.
Which one?
First.
Janmadasya.
Janmadas.
Yes.
It becomes very difficult for me to understand.
It is not difficult.
Who come?
No. Because it is the explanation of Brahma Sutra. So the Brahma Sutra, the beginning is Athata Brahma Jigyasa. And what about Brahma? The Supreme Absolute Truth. The next verse is immediate Janmadasya Yataha. The Supreme Absolute Truth is that
From which everything is born.
everything is born. Now that Bhagavad begins the answer. Janmadasya Jataha.
From the second line of the
Answer.
sutras.
Brahma Sutras go straight. The answer is Bhagavad. Janmadasya Jataha. Then, what is that Janmadasya Jataha? And he says, Vasudev said, Annayat itaratascha artheshu avijñā.
From the sutra.
The avijñā, that the absolute truth from whom everything has emanated, he knows everything directly and indirectly. He knows because he is avijñā.
In knowing everything.
Knows everything.
Knowing everything. Knowing everything.
Yes.
Abhigna.
Because
All down knowing.
Yes. So he is not a stone. It's like some philosopher says there was a chunk and creation came from there. So here Bhagavad says, no, the origin of creation He is a person, avijna. And he knows everything directly and indirectly. Directly I know this is my body, but indirectly I do not know what is going on in this body. Therefore we go to physician. Please tell me what is the ailments in my body. But I do not know what is the cause. But the original absolute truth, he knows everything directly and indirectly. Therefore he is avijna. Janmadasya jata annayat itaratascha artheshu avijna. In this way concludes Sattam Param Dhimahi.
Dhimahi. This Krishna Shakti Shastri has written 100 pages on this in explanation in notes. And I was lost in it. In this one single slok. He has about the last Dhimahi is also a part of Gayatri Mantra.
Yeah.
What is Kuhukam? Kuhukam?
Kuhukam means this material word is kuhukam.
Kuhukam.
No. Kuhukam means illusion,
Illusion.
magic. Something magician is showing so much money. That's why here this one Baba, what is Sattar, he creates some gold.
चलो आप रहता ना कुछ चलो चलो गाड़ी में जिन टिकट on डेवलप करना तो सुन ना बाबू भाई चलो एक आता ना कि magician in Gujarat, some Muslim magician, he would not ask for the ticket and sit in the plane without, हैं? हाँ ना हाँ पहलना Muhammad Shell. There was one man called Muhammad Shell, and when the ticket checker comes and asks for the ticket, he says, all right, take this, and there would be a heap of tickets. Railway tickets.
The magician can...
Such a magician. He would stop that train. Stand behind, stop the train. Stop. People must have got some siddhis by...
the yogic siddhi, ashta siddhi, anima, lagima.
No, but these anima, lagima, you get. The sattvic fellows, but these people who are actually...
anyone can get. It is a practice.
But the wrong method also.
Mechanical.
So Devi Bhaktas also get it. This is what we call Shakti Bhaktas. They by Tantric Yoga. I can't still understand how Tantra, by following and drawing particular figures and writing down those figures, you can get powers. This is very common in Bengal side, this Tantra, no? I read a book on Tantra by Sir Arthur Avalon, and he describes so wonderful powers come by this and that. I don't know whether it is a fact or not.
That is materialism. Anyone who is after power, that is materialism.
I could not believe in it. How could it come?
Can come.
Nas.
Now this is
come
also Tantra, just like nowadays they flying Sputnik and from here controlling everything. Millions and millions of
There is a science behind it, no?
So that is also a kind of science.
This
subtle
writing letters,
Yes,
1, 2 and
yes.
10. And
There are subtle science. These are gross science. There are subtle science also. Just like now mechanically you are flying, but there is science. Anything, I can fly with this stick. That is possible. Akash Patol. There is a science. Akash Patol. Kapotvahi. Now you can train the pigeons and it will fly in the sky.
Fly you.
Yes.
And carpet also?
Yes. Mantarpur.
You must have read The Carpet Flying in India.
Yeah.
I used to read such stories when
Actually,
I was a boy of 10 years.
the aeroplanes mentioned in the Shastra, they are not machine. Mantra.
Mantra.
Yeah.
Because this Pushpak Viman, it could land anywhere.
Pushpak Viman.
Yes. That was
Pushpak Viman was with...
flying in mantra.
it was
Now
not
scientific improvement has been done That is on the gross material platform.
Spiritually they must be working.
And it is not spiritual, that is also subtle, just like mind. The speed of mind. Mind is material.
Yes. Mind is.
By mind speed, you can just imagine, you are here immediately, within a second you go to Calcutta.
Because you think of it. Thought going is mind going.
So, this is the mind. Similarly, mental, intellectual, you are going.
No, no. You are going ahead. We have to come to that.
That's all. Mind is also material.
Yes, in
Bhumirapo nalo vayu khang khang mana.
Kam mano eva cha.
Yeah, they are all material.
But even in
The so-called jnanis, they are on the mental platform. Therefore, they are also materialists. But therefore, Brahma, you will find in the Brahma Sutra, Jnane Prayasam Mudapasa. Give up this attempt to reach the supreme by mental speculation. Jnane Prayasam Mudapasa. Namanta eva, be submissive. Namanta eva. Salmakritana bhavadiya vata. Just hear from devotee the news or the message of God, Krishna. That is the process of the Jnane prayasam mudapasa namante sanmakritam bhavadiya vata. Sthane sthita, you haven't got to change your place. Sutigatang tanuvang manovi. You hear from the realized soul and try to apply in your practical life. Then one day, although God is unconquerable, He will be conquered by you. This is the commendation by Brahma.
I have some from Bhakti Yoga that you have to become you have got to leave your body consciousness and become soul conscious.
That is
soul
soul conscious.
conscious, and then
Body consciousness is mental speculation.
that is what I say. You must go beyond that. Unless you leave the
This is the
body
gross
consciousness,
body
do bhakti.
and subtle body. So when these jnanis, they think that they have become liberated, but they are entrapped by the subtle body. Jnani prayasam mudapasa.
Yogis.
They are also the same thing, gross material.
Yoga means to join yourself. Yourself means not body, not even mind, but your soul, to the higher soul of namely God. That is real yoga. And that is as good as bhakti, or you call it yoga, anything. Yoga and bhakti comes to the same thing then.
Bhakti is real yoga. Others are first. Yoginam api sarvesam. The bhakti is real yoga, that is real yoga. This is first.
Madgaten antaratmana.
That is real yoga.
Antaratmana.
Antaratmana means beyond
within
the
yourself.
mind and intelligence.
From within yourself.
Yoginam api. So within yourself. If one thinks, antara madgaten, Krishna, always thinking of Krishna, that is first class yoga. But the so-called yogis, they want to become Krishna. Now I am becoming.
I don't think they say they are becoming Krishna.
Oh,
that
yes.
their disciple say, as any disciple.
Disciple rascal kick this disciple. Why? What from the disciple comes? They from the rascals.
બધાને ગાળો બોળો છે સારું નથી કરતા.
These rascals come, if the Janmadasa Jata, if there are rascals that produce, he is rascal.
But you are a guru. I am
So
your
you say
disciple.
they are
I have
they are
got
not
to take you as a
violating-
god, then I can get my knowledge.
That
if I
is
take
another
you as a
thing.
male,
That is
I can't
another-
got it.
If God produces rascals, then he is not, he is a rascal.
The guru has got to be taken as god. That is the
That
very
is
teaching.
another. Guru has taken not that God, he is God only.
Guru is not the god.
He
is
is
god.
just like your representative. Suppose if I got to some business, there is a call, if you love me, you love my dog. It is not that dog is you.
But
Dog is different. But if you love somebody, you pat sometimes the dog, just to satisfy him.
this
Jasya prasadat bhagavat prasad. This is to say.
Yes, right.
If you satisfy Guru, then
Satisfy
God,
God.
is satisfied.
But what
That does not mean Guru is God.
No, I don't say, I think...
Guru-
I don't understand you and you also don't understand me. I mean to say that disciples have got to take Guru as God and not this body as God. His Atma is Guru and Atma is God, so Guru is that way God.
that is
That is
not.
what I think.
No.
And I don't think I am wrong.
Why
I'm
do
going to stick up for
why do you
myself.
distinguish between Guru's Atma and Guru's body?
And his body, but definitely body is not Guru.
That
Even
is
if you say
Mahabharata,
this
that
body
is
is-
Mahabharata. They make also Krishna and Krishna's inside different.
Krishna's body is different from your body and my body. Krishna's body is spiritual.
Then why do you make once you say that Guru is equal to Krishna, and again Krishna's body and Krishna is not divided, but Guru's body and Guru's soul is different.
That's right.
That's not
Atma-
right.
Atma is
That's
Guru.
not right, please. Note, if you compare the Guru is God, then you should compare similarity.
Similarity, this body and Krishna body are different.
That is an ignorance. You do not know.
Krishna's body is spiritual. He's any part of his
The
body
Mahabharata
equal
do
to
that.
any body.
The
he
Krishna-
can hear. He can hear by his eye and hear by his finger and satisfy anybody by his anything.
That's
That
all
is
right.
Krishna.
That is all right. Mean to say that sakshad harityena samasta shastra ruptas tatha bhavata. When you accept Guru equal to Krishna, then you cannot make such distinction.
Bodily distinction.
Then why bodily or anything?
It's very important.
No. You cannot make the such
The
distinction.
body, this body,
Chinmaya.
all feel and has got to come to Dr.
Body
for
that
treatment sometimes.
He-
But that Krishna's body does not fall in.
not only Guru, anyone who is spiritually advanced, he has no more material body.
Yes, from higher point of view.
Yeah. So if
He does not
the
feel he has
Guru
got a
is in the
material body.
lower standard, then how he becomes Guru?
That Guru who know that he has got no real material body, he is beyond the body consciousness. That is right.
No,
Guru-
even the material body is there.
Guru thinks so.
Even the
But what about
material body is there, it still is to be taken as spiritual. That is the philosophy. The example is given just like you have got an iron stick. You put it in the fire and it becomes warm. And when it is red hot, it is no more iron stick. It is fire. Do you accept this?
I accept.
Then, one who is always merged in Krishna thought, his body is not material.
That way you say.
Yeah.
That way I can.
Yes, that is the,
Yeah, I understand.
because his material body is not working. That is stopped. He is working simply spiritually. That's what his body is feeling. The same example. It has become so hot, red hot, that it is no more working as iron rod. It is working as fire.
Because it burns anybody who touches it. So Guru also does the
Yeah.
same thing. He electrifies anybody who touches. So we touch your feet.
Therefore he has no material. It is aparat. Gurusu naramati. This is forbidden. Gurusu naramati arche shiladhi. Just like everyone knows, the atheist class will say, oh, here is a stone statue and these rascals are worshipping Krishna. So everyone knows that is a stone statue. But we are so fool that we are worshipping a stone statue. Therefore this is offense. Arche shiladhi, Guru Suna. Similarly Guru, although he is working, moving just like ordinary human, one should not consider. That is ordinary human being, Guru Sunaramati.
That is how the Guru can...
Everyone knows that here is a stone statue. So many people, hundreds and thousands of people are coming to worship that stone statue. Somebody can argue. The atheist will argue. And so we have got millions of temples, especially in South India, Jagannath Puri and anywhere. So are they going, expending so much money to worship a statue? That is forbidden.
No,
Guru should
I
not
was
have.
trying to learn from this.
Guru should not be considered in that way. If he is actually Guru.
Guru's Shaktipat on his disciple
The same
comes
example.
from either way. That the Shishya draws his power and Guru gives it.
Yes.
It's a double
But
action.
if he has no power, how he can give?
But that is what I say. So we have to take Guru as God.
So therefore Guru as God, not distinction. That Guru is so much God and he is so much.
I don't say distinction.
Then
I,
you
think
say that
I did not
distinction of
say that
body,
you have
distinction-
understood it
No,
differently.
I'm not. It is the Guru principle we are talking.
That is
I'm
what I
not
want to
Guru.
learn from you.
I'm not Guru. The Guru has no material body.
You have to think
Just
that
like this statue is not material. Similarly, Guru's body is not material.
you say that though Gurus will appear as material body, you are not to take it as a material body. Say that way. Because we are little...
No, not to take it is actually. If it is material body, then how they are getting benefits? If it is material body. The same example. If it is iron rod, then it is burning. It is fire. When there is burning, you must ask, it is fire. Why do you take? It is iron rod. Palayana padichiyate. Palayana padichiyate. By the result you have to. Therefore it is said, Jassa prasadad bhagavat prasad. We have no direct contact with Bhagavan, but Guru being representative of Bhagavan, if we satisfy Guru, then Bhagavan. Identical. Therefore it is what? Vaishnava jati buddhi. Similarly, Vaishnava jati buddhi. Here is European Vaishnava, it is Indian Vaishnava, it is Brahmin Vaishnava and Shudra Vaishnava. No, that is also offense.
That is wrong. Vaishnava is Vaishnava.
Similarly, to consider Guru's body as material, that is also wrong.
Yeah, I read somewhere that you have
No,
got
that's
to
fine.
take Guru as God from
That-
this point of view, that he is Atma. You are worshipping God.
This is Mahabharata.
No, whatever it is, I mean, let us go this
That Mahabharata says,
But it may say,
Krishna is God within. Dr. Radhakrishna says it as well. Krishna is within. The outside is material body. You have read
there is
that.
no within it. I have not read that. There is no within it without so far God is concerned. God is everywhere.
Similarly,
there is no within,
similarly
no body
Guru
at all.
also, no within, no without. Otherwise, how we can say Sakshat Harittena? Directly. If you make distinction, how can be directly?
Within without is artifact.
Kintu prabhujya priya eva tasya. But he has attained that position on account of his being very, very dear to God. He is doing God's work. God says, surrender unto me. Guru is preaching. That is real Guru. He is preaching surrender to Krishna. He will never say surrender unto me.
No Guru says so.
All rascals say. All rascals.
But rascals are not Gurus.
The Guru, so-called Guru, there are. These Mahabharats, all they say, I am God. Let me now have rasa dance. Send your children, send your wife, send your daughter, will dance. These are all rascals, Mahabharata. Mahabharati bhashya sunile hay sarvanash. This is a statement of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As soon as one hears the statement of Mahabharati, he is doomed. It's finished. It's finished.
See, you have been bracketing so many good people with the bad.
What is
And
good
I very
people?
strongly
Where is good people?
of yours.
All the rascals. Let them come.
Let
I
them
shall,
come.
yes, I shall kick on their face. I am so strong. Where is good man?
You see,
I have already kicked already that. Where is that? Yes. Ask me in Hong Kong. And he's a dog.
we
And
don't
public
talk of
meeting.
these fellows. We talk of general philosophy.
So you have got some discrimination. Our is only point. If anyone is a Mayavadi, he's a dog. Kick him on his face. That's all.
Mayavadi means those people who
No,
are
Mayavadi
misbehaving.
means Mayavadi. That's all.
What do you mean by
explanation.
Mayavad?
Mayavadi means who thinks like that.
Oh, like that. That is right.
Krishna is different from his body. That is Mayavadi.
There is no body of Krishna. Whole thing is body.
The Mayavadi does not know that.
And those
That is
people-
Mayavadi.
So
They think that Krishna comes with a Maya body. Therefore they are Mayavadi.
Krishna
Then
has the
you
control over the Maya.
will find in Dr. Radhakrishna's book the same thing.
I will have
Yeah.
to read it. I have not read it.
Now you should have studied
No, I have not
because
studied that.
he's a
I studied
advertised as big
I
scholar.
have studied a perennial philosophy by Huxley. I think somebody must show you one of the very, very good. It's just Bhaktivad. But Huxley's. Julius Huxley's.
Man, if he is Bhaktivad, then he would not have eulogized Ramakrishna.
He is wonderful.
He has eulogized Ramakrishna. Yes, he has eulogized Ramakrishna. That's Shastra. You know that? Yes. Ramakrishna was a first-class Mayavadi.
You, which Ramakrishna?
This Ramakrishna mission.
You are a guru, so I don't want to contradict and go into. તમે હવે નહીં બોલો.
No. That is bad. You have got some selection of your
I have
own.
no selection. I have
Yeah,
selection
that's
in
all.
God. But તમે બધાને ખોટું શું કરવા બોલો છો? એ ગુરુ સમા
I have to say the truth. You may like or not like. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I have to say the truth. I am saying all over the world.
There may be a few, but all are not like that.
You are a pakka Mayavadi.
There may be a
I
few
am
everywhere.
still repeating.
Let us go up.
Yeah. He was a pakka Mayavadi. Just see that he says that he is a worshipper of goddess Kali. Is it not?
હા બરાબર.
Huh? And he became God by worshipping Kali. Just see how much Mayavadi he is. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Kamasthastha hitadhyana jajante annadevata. Anyone who is worshipping other demigods, his intelligence is lost. Kamasthastha hitadhyana. And this man says that worshipping a demigod, goddess Kali, he became God. Just see. How much great Mayavadi. Where is the Shastra? Where is in the Shastra, Vedic Shastra, that one becomes God by worshipping goddess Kali? Is there any
ब्रह्मविद ब्रह्म एव भवति.
Then may
ब्रह्मविद ब्रह्म एव भवति.
that is all. That is another thing. Just like I gave the example. If you associate with fire, you also become fire. That is another thing. Brahma-vid. But here is no question of Brahma-vid. Ignorance. Ignorance. Because Brahma-vid, the Brahma, Supreme Brahma says that those who are worshippers of demigods, they have lost their intelligence. So how he becomes a man who has lost his intelligence, how he can become Brahma-vid? Brahma-vid is so easy thing. Is it possible for a man who has lost his intelligence and he becomes Brahma-vid? We'll have to
Brahma
accept
cannot
that.
be recognized by intelligence. You have got to go beyond intelligence, mind and everything.
Well, we are beyond intelligence, beyond all aspects. We are beyond.
That is what I say.